Hello, beauties. Welcome to Beauty Unlocked, your safe space for beauty secrets and skincare hacks. I'm your buddy Lushita, and today we are unlocking the viral Korean glass skin routine. This is one of the most searched beauty trends across YouTube and Instagram. Glass skin isn't just makeup, it's glowing, smooth, hydrated skin from within. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll know how to achieve it step by step at home. So, what exactly is glass skin? It means skin so clear, smooth, and radiant that it looks like glass. No pores, no dullness, just a healthy, hydrated, reflective glow. This look became popular in South Korea but is now a global beauty goal. And the best part, you don't need expensive products to get it. Glass skin is not achieved overnight, it's a consistent skincare journey. The secret is deep hydration, gentle care, and layering products the right way. Korean skincare focuses on long-term health, not quick fixes. We'll be covering cleansing, exfoliation, hydration, and home remedies. So, let's unlock the steps and start your glass skin journey. Step 1 is cleansing, the foundation of glass skin. In K-beauty, cleansing is a ritual, not just a quick wash. It's about removing dirt, makeup, and pollution without harming your skin. Koreans believe a clean base ensures other products work better. So let's talk about the famous double cleansing method. Double cleansing starts with an oil-based cleanser. This melts makeup, sunscreen, and excess sebum effectively. Don't worry, oil cleansers don't clog pores, they balance the skin. Even oily skin types benefit from this because it dissolves oil with oil. Massage gently, then rinse before moving to the second cleanse. The second cleanse is water-based, like a gentle foaming cleanser. This removes leftover impurities and keeps the skin fresh. Avoid harsh cleansers that strip natural oils. Instead, choose pH-balanced formulas that protect your barrier. Think of this step as preparing a smooth canvas for skincare. Exfoliation is step 2, removing dead skin for clarity. It polishes the skin, brightens the tone, and smooths texture. Koreans prefer chemical exfoliants like AHRs and BHAs over harsh scrubs. AHRs like glycolic acid brighten and refine texture. BHAs like salicylic acid unclog pores and fight acne. Natural exfoliation options also work wonders. Papaya and pineapple enzymes dissolve dead skin gently. Orange peel powder or rice flour masks brighten the face naturally. Exfoliation reveals fresher skin underneath dull layers. But moderation is key, 2 to 3 times a week only. Over-exfoliating can damage the skin barrier. This leads to redness, dryness, and breakouts, exactly what we don't want. So, always listen to your skin and exfoliate gently. Consistency is more powerful than harsh daily scrubbing. Balanced exfoliation is the first secret to glass-like clarity. Now let's talk about hydration, the heart of glass skin. Hydration makes your skin plump, soft, and glowing. K-beauty focuses on layering hydration in thin steps. This ensures your skin absorbs moisture deeply and evenly. And this is where toners, essences, and serums shine. Start with a hydrating toner. Forget old alcohol-based toners that dry skin. Modern toners rebalance pH and add the first layer of moisture. Look for rose water, green tea, or rice extract toners. This primes your skin for the next hydration layers. Next comes Essence, the soul of K-beauty. It's a lightweight liquid packed with fermented ingredients. Essences hydrate, repair, and brighten dull skin. They penetrate deeply to improve elasticity and smoothness. This step alone makes a visible difference in glow. After Essence, it's time for serums. Serums target specific skin concerns directly. Vitamin C serum brighten and fade pigmentation. Hyaluronic acid serums deeply hydrate and plump fine lines. Niacinamide and snail mucin repair and strengthen skin barriers. Serums should be layered carefully. Start with watery ones like hyaluronic acid. Then move to thicker serums like snail mucin. This ensures maximum absorption and effectiveness. Think of it as feeding your skin in the right order. Moisturizer is the next crucial step. It seals in all the hydration you've layered. Without moisturizer, hydration evaporates quickly. Choose gel-based for oily skin, creamy for dry skin. Rice extract and green tea formulas are great Korean options. At night, you can add a sleeping mask. This works overnight to deeply nourish and repair. It locks hydration while your skin regenerates. Wake up with soft, glowing, bouncy skin. This is a K-beauty favorite for glass skin seekers. Now comes the non-negotiable, sunscreen. Without SPF, all your effort can be undone. UV rays cause dullness, pigmentation and wrinkles. Choose lightweight Korean sunscreens for daily use. SPF 30 or higher is essential, rain or shine. Sunscreen isn't just for summer. Even indoor light and gadgets cause damage. Apply generously and reapply every 2 to 3 hours. This keeps your glow safe and long-lasting. Sunscreen is the shield to your glass skin glow. Let's move to home remedies for glass skin. Rice water toner is a Korean grandmother's secret. Soak or boil rice, save the water and cool it. Use as a toner for bright, smooth skin. It's natural, effective and budget-friendly. Another secret is honey and aloe vera. Mix honey, aloe and rice flour into a mask. This hydrates, heals and boosts collagen. It leaves skin soft and radiant instantly, perfect as a weekly DIY glow mask. Diet plays a huge role in glass skin. Korean beauty culture includes nutrient-rich foods. Eat berries, avocados, and leafy greens daily. Include omega-3 rich salmon or flax seeds. A balanced diet reflects as radiant, youthful skin. Sleep is another underrated beauty hack. During deep sleep, your skin repairs itself. Lack of sleep causes dullness and dark circles. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep daily. Think of sleep as your natural overnight facial. Exercise also boosts the glass skin effect. Workouts improve blood circulation to the skin. This brings oxygen, nutrients, and natural glow. Yoga and facial exercises also sculpt and firm. Glowing skin is a mix of care and lifestyle. Now let's talk about face massages. Koreans swear by lymphatic drainage techniques. It reduces puffiness and defines facial contours. Use jade rollers or gua sha tools for better results. Massage helps products absorb deeply and boosts glow. Another Korean trick is layering masks. They use sheet masks almost daily for hydration. Choose masks with hyaluronic acid, rice, or snail mucin. Relax for 15 minutes while your skin soaks nutrients. This is self-care and skincare in one. If you don't have sheet masks, try DIY masks. Mix yogurt with honey for hydration. Add turmeric for glow or oats for soothing. DIY masks are affordable and customizable at home. Consistency with these masks gives visible glass skin. Let's bust a myth. Glass skin isn't about fairness. It's about clarity, smoothness, and health. Every skin tone can achieve glass-like glow. It's about radiance, not color. So embrace your natural shade with confidence. Consistency is the ultimate key. A single facial won't give you glass skin, but regular care builds long-lasting results. Think of skincare as a daily ritual, not a task. This mindset ensures glowing skin for life. Affordability tip. K-beauty doesn't have to be expensive. Many budget-friendly products deliver amazing results. Drugstore toners, aloe gels, and rice water work too. It's about ingredients, not just brand names. Smart choices can still unlock your glow. Track your skincare journey. Click weekly selfies under the same light. You'll notice improvements that motivate consistency. This helps you identify what works best for you. Celebrate small wins on your glass skin path. Mindfulness is also part of skincare. Stress directly impacts acne and dullness. Practice meditation, journaling, or breathing exercises. Glowing skin is about inner peace too. Balance mind, body, and skin for true radiance. Koreans also focus on gentle layering. Less is more. Don't overload products at once. Light layers absorb better and prevent greasiness. Pat and don't rub products into your skin. This simple habit enhances product effectiveness. Home gadgets can also boost skincare. LED masks reduce acne and brighten skin. Facial steamers open pores for deeper cleansing. Microcurrent devices lift and tone the face. Technology plus routine give faster glass skin results. A big tip: avoid touching your face too often. Hands carry dirt and bacteria that cause breakouts. Keep your phone and pillowcases clean as well. Small hygiene steps prevent big skin problems. This hack is simple but highly effective. For body glow, use exfoliating scrubs weekly. Hydrated, smooth skin shouldn't stop at your face. Coconut oil, coffee scrubs, and shea butter work wonders. Your whole body can shine with the glass skin effect. Confidence glows brightest when it's head to toe. So let's wrap this up, my beautiful viewers. Glass skin is about care, hydration, and lifestyle. From double cleansing to rice water masks, every step counts. Consistency and patience bring lasting glow. Now it's your turn to unlock the glass skin look. Before you go, don't forget the golden rule. Glow shared is glow doubled, so share this video. Subscribe to Beauty Unlocked for more skincare secrets. Hit the like button if you enjoyed today's routine. And let's keep unlocking beauty together, one step at a time. Thank you for watching.